This right here is the Makita DML810/2 self-writing sight light. And as you can see, this thing is going to provide absolute game-changing light to wherever you need it. And of course, the main thing to note with this is it's self-writing. So if you knock this thing over, you aren't gonna have to worry because it will just wobble straight back to its position. It's perfect for those jobs on site where you need that extra area light. This thing will provide up to 5,500 lumens on max setting, and it has 3 brightness modes as well as directional light, so you can angle the light exactly where you need it when you're on the job. Power-wise, this thing runs off Makita's 18-volt battery platform. Your bread and butter power there. It's got room in the front for 2 batteries, but it will run it sequentially. So you can put 1 in and this thing will carry on, or you can put 2 in if you need that extra level of power. This thing also runs on mains, so your 240 power. So if you have power and you want to plug it in, that's absolutely fine. Not only that, you can tether up to 8 of these together using daisy chaining. So wherever you need the light, you can get these going and just have light constantly around the site. This thing is heavy duty, it's IP54 rated, so you don't have to worry about that water and dust ingress. This thing is perfect if you're looking for a robust site lighting option to keep you working later into those evenings. This is the Makita DML810-2, and you can check it out now at its.co.uk.